Universal Studio. Welcome to Universal Studio. And for today's video, itatry natin yung mga rides nila dito. So, titignan natin kung gano'n sila ka-extreme at kung kakayanin ko yung ibang mga rides nila. Tignan nyo rin at malalaman nyo kung sino sa mga social climber ang mga makakasama ko sa ating mga rides. Okay, so for sure, mas exciting to, tas mas nakakaliw. So, let's go! So, eto na! Ako, sasakay ako! Ay! Ayun na! Oh my God!
Mababa nga lang yun eh. Para sa Japan.
Ayoko yan, oy, subak ko.
Ayoko
yan, guys. Papunta pa lang tayo sa most exciting part. Oh.
Hunong na ba? Hunong?
Kakayanin yan.
Wala yan sinagyan naman ni Papa.
Ayan na! So, nandito na ako sa loob ng Transformers ride. So, hindi sila sumama. Mag-i-edit na lang daw po sila ng video doon. So, ako na lang pumasok. Kasi sayang naman yung entrance, di ba? Sana ka-experience natin to. Let's go! So, kailangan magsuot ng 3D na glass para sa rides na to. So, technically, hindi ko na mapapakita sa inyo kung ano yung makikita ko dito. Kasi bawal din daw siya kuhanan ng camera. So, later na lang ikukwento ko sa inyo kung ano experience ko. After 30 minutes of waiting sa pila dahil ang daming sumasakay dito, ito na kami. Kami na ang next. This is it. It's our turn. Oh my God. Yun na, papasok na kami. Naku, sa gitnang part pa ako, naupo. Good. Oh my God.
All right, recruits.
Action na
Ready
lang
or not,
talaga.
it's mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses.
Woo!
You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out!
Hey!
It's Ravage. He's after the Allspark.
Hey!
monsters. How do we find a way out of here?
There you go mga moms. Grabe. Grabe yung 3D. Yan, so out na kami and ayun na nga. Kakaiba yung digital experience na. 3D. Kakaiba yung ano niya, yung mga roller coaster style niya. So, alika na, labas na tayo. Oh, the fairy godmother. Wow. Welcome here at Universal Studio Castle. Oh, lumamig na. Matapos ang mga pawisan, nandito na kami sa fresh venue. The king and queen of the castle. So ayan, kukuha na kami ulit ng aming shades. This time it's green naman. Ayan. Para makita natin kung ano mga mangyayari. So dito na kaming lahat ngayon sa Nandito kaming lahat ngayon nila ng social climbing. Bakit humihili? Anong meron?
Alright, welcome to Castle Farfar Race Fairy Tale Creature Processing Center and Dungeon. Now please make sure you have a pair of over vision glasses that looks just like this. If you do not have one, please go back to the entrance and grab yourself a pair. Now eating, drinking, flash photography and video recording is strictly not allowed.
That's not the smart crowd. Really smart. They're not smart. What are they doing here? What are we still doing in? Oh, they got my chill, aren't they? Yeah. Hey, what are you people doing here?
That was bad.
No, donkey.
Wait, I got it. You always wanted a puppet, but all you got was toast.
No, I'm sitting in an onion. This carriage is one big onion.
Oh, you say so. I'll turn on the head.
Much better.
Noble steed at your service.
I found a shortcut.
Oh!
Crazy. Jiminy.
That's a big one.
Oh, what? Hey, man, I hate fighting. Come on, big boys can be hecked or food for anything. I ain't going in there.
Listen, I'm an ogre. I'm the one that does the scaring. What is there to be scared of? Simonius!
Sorry, princess. Honeymoon's over.
Wow. Go and dive. Uy, bakit sa amin?
That's
Fiona!
Shrek!
Fiona!
Let me go!
To the carriage!
Ah!
Donkey. Now, the carriage made from an onion. It's dark, and our horses are wearing sunglasses.
Cut to the chase, donkey! Just cut to the chase!
Hit it, boys!
Ay! Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang tayo nababasa. Ay! Ay!
Licorice? Oh. Oh, that's gross.
So, ayan na, natapos na po ang aming Shrek Adventure. Ang saya-saya. Kamusta? Ang gitna, parang bagets ulit, na? Ang saya ng adventure. Oo. Ang saya. So, thank you so much for watching and for joining us, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.